Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by being practical. Know exactly what you want and how much it costs, and be ready to explain it. Once done, decide a fair split. Offer money from your savings or set chores as payment. Make sure to pick the right moment. Approach your mom when she's relaxed. Briefly state the item, the price in Robux or dollars, and your plan to contribute. This frames the ask as reasonable and cooperative rather than entitled. Next, explain why getting Robux matters and how you'll use it responsibly. Describe benefits like access to creative or educational experiences, and reassure her by outlining privacy and spending controls you'll enable. Once she hears safety steps, present a clear repayment plan, specific chores, a small allowance contribution, or a savings timeline in weeks. Be ready to answer questions calmly and show screenshots or prices so she sees you've researched. This builds trust and reduces reluctance. Finally, confirm the agreement in concrete terms. Spending cap, which purchases need approval, and a review date. Once agreed, follow through exactly, do the chores, add your funds, and keep receipts to show accountability. If things stall, offer alternatives like partial contributions or delaying the buy to prove responsibility. If disagreements arise, suggest a trial period with a small amount first. This practical compromise often resolves hesitation and shows you respect her decision while pursuing the goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.